Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun video lined up for you. I got a special guest. My buddy Jason decided to pop over and help us out with some little head-to-head action here. So you want to be Team Orange or Team Red?
I'm gonna go for red.
Red. All right. He wants some Milwaukee. So we have a couple 7-inch leg bolts over on the jaw horse on my 6x4 pressure treated post. Do a head-to-head. Which one's faster and which one will come up on top? Let's head over to the jaw. Both got fully charged up batteries on high. So this one's on speed 3.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Count around.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh, look at that. We'll have to check the instant replay and make sure nobody got a jump.
Yeah, right.
Do it again here.
That's too far in.
Yeah, get it. Freshly drilled holes.
Set 3.
Yeah, on 3.
Turn 3.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go. Alright, let's pull them out and we'll swap. Alright, swap tools, see which one does what. Ready? Get set, go. Oh.
That's how
Pretty close.
it's like an eighth of an inch.